Welcome to day one of Be Your Own Therapist short course on batch flower remedies. This is your course instructor Sonal Singhal, and today we are going to cover remedies for fear. Fear is an emotion which affects all of us at varying degrees at various times. If you see fear as an emotion, it is exactly same today as it has always been. But have you ever noted that fear can be of different types? For example, it might be something as concrete as the fear of consequences an illness brings, or the fear of losing a job. At the same time, there can also be fear rooted in the unknown, which is sensed as a distinct feeling of unease. For this type of fear, one cannot give any logical explanation or reason. So, in the category of fear, Dr. Batch identified 5 different types of fear. And for each type of fear, he suggested a specific flower remedy. These flower remedies are ASPEN, MIMULUS, cherry plum, red chestnut, and rock rose. And in the next few slides, we are going to cover each remedy one by one. Dr. Batch suggested MIMULUS for the fears of everyday life. These fears, they can be named, or one can say they are finite fears, such as fear of illness, pain, accidents, poverty, darkness, etc. MIMULUS people are generally shy in nature, and they generally remain quiet and secretly bear their dread. Also, they are hesitant in speaking of their fear to others. Dr. Batch prescribed rock rose for extreme fearful situations, such as accidents or sudden illness, in which a person goes into shock, or the condition of patient is so serious that it causes great fear to those around. So, one can say that rock rose is for fears that leaves one quaking and shivering, for vague fears that cannot be named, and there appears to be no logical explanations. An example of such a fear is fear of ghosts. Dr. Batch advised taking ASPEN for such vague fears. Red chestnut is prescribed for those people who find it difficult to not worry about others. They often anticipate some unfortunate event to happen with those whom they are fond of. Actually, such people have stopped to worry about themselves, and they obsessively think for the safety of others. The remedy cherry plum is for individuals who are scared that their mind is giving way to irrational or destructive thoughts. The condition is like someone is losing their self-control. Cherry plum is often given to children who are prone to throwing temper tantrums.